Are you ready to learn the secrets behind renovating a successful flip through real estate? Well, get ready because we're about to reveal the key steps and strategies to turn an outdated property like this into a profitable real estate gem. Stay tuned. Welcome to Real Estate Talk, everyone. My name is Zach. My goal here on the channel is to make real estate easy for absolutely everyone. I'm here on location at a house that we are currently renovating and flipping. It's super hot out here, Louisiana. So I'm gonna try and do my best not to sweat my eyes out and give y'all some good info. Step number one, you have to assess the potential of any property. Before diving into renovations, evaluate the property thoroughly. Consider its location, market demand, potential real estate resale value. All of that kind of stuff matters. Consider the rent you can get for this property. You don't want to overstep and have a house that does not cash flow. Step number two, super important, create a budget. Having a budget is gonna save you from so much. Having a budget is gonna save you from overspending or even underspending. Step number three, plan for your future renter. Design with your target market in mind, whether it's an urban loft, suburban family home. Tailor your renovations to appeal to your market area. I can't tell you how important this is. When you planning a design on a house, no matter what it is, from colors to design to layout, plan for future renters to want to stay in your rental above someone else's. Step number four, tackle the essentials first. Don't forget to get any permits before work starts. Start with structural repairs, any roughing for electrical, for plumbing, any framing you might need to do, any HVAC you need to do. Do all of these things first before you even get into the cosmetic pretty stuff like painting, flooring, baseboards, lighting, whatever the case is. You want to always start with a solid foundation first. That is key to the whole process. Step number five, now it's time to transform that space. Get your paint right, your flooring right. Make sure all of that, the lighting package you choose, everything has to match up beautifully. These changes that you make can significantly increase or decrease the value of the home that you are renovating. Step number six, now you focus on that curb appeal on the outside of your home. Freshen up the landscape, new bushes, new trees. You want to get your pavement all pressure washed. You want to paint the outside. Anything you can do to capture that renter's attention right when they pull up. When they see that curb appeal on the MLS, on Zillow, whatever the case is. When they see that and they see how beautiful the outside is, they assume that the inside is just as nice, which you're going to make it. Step number seven, stay within your timeline. If you settle on a 7-week timeline, stick to it. Don't switch it. Delays can eat into your profits. So you have to have a realistic schedule and you have to stick to it. There's no way around it. Plan wisely. Coordinate with your contractors, your plumbers, your electricians, roofers, painters, everything. Make sure that everyone is on the same page timeline-wise so you can get things done smoothly and efficiently. By you following these proven steps, I guarantee you that you will make it through any renovation, through any flip to get your house rented. You want to renovate that house so that not only does it meet current renters' needs and demands, but you also want to yield a substantial return on your investment later in the future. Are you ready to dive in to your very first investment flipping house? If so, you can click right here to learn about how to buy your very first investment property at the auction. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down below.